So, since this next, it's not going to really be a video, it's going to be more of a picture slideshow. It pertains to projects. People are always saying, "Oh, that guy's never going to get rid of that project. He's going to let it sit there and rot." And this is one of those projects, that I got rid of. That I'm glad I did, because the guy did it more than just. He just whipped up on it nice. But my thing is the projects you sell, and you see it sitting in another guy's yard for 10 years, and he sells it for a profit or whatever. He didn't do anything with it. Well, he could have sat in my yard and done that. So this is one of the victory projects I've gotten rid of. One of the things I was always going to fix up, never did. And the guy over here in Idaho, like I said, he did it justice. I'm glad I got rid of it to him. But I've got a lot of projects, nightmare stories where I wish I'd just kept it and let it sit in the yard. But anyway, here's a look at whether you like the car or not. The guy did a good job. So here it is. And here's a little rundown on the Firebird project. I did get the starter back. New solenoid on it. I just got to get that cheap oil gauge hooked up. Carburetor I got back. Guy here in town, 80 years old. Car guy from way back helped me out there and rebuilt that for me. Gave me a good deal on that. So I need to get that positive battery cable, and then we're right back on this Firebird project here. I can't wait to get back on this thing. Seems like it's been a long time. So we'll get right back on her here in the next couple days.